Dear students, today we are going to discuss about our second chapter, that is banking. First of all, we should know what is a bank. Bank is an institution which mainly carries on business of getting deposits and lending money. These days, apart from the business of taking deposit and lending money, many other financial transactions are also carried by banks like transferring money from one place to another, providing traveler check and foreign exchange to tourists, renting deposit wallets to keep valuable in safe custody, accepting payment for public utility services such as electricity bills, water bills, phone bills, etc. The banks offer different schemes under which we can open our accounts. Mainly the four different type of accounts offered by a bank are saving bank account, current bank account, fixed deposit account, recurring or cumulative deposit account. In this chapter, we will be dealing only with the recurring or cumulative deposit account. What is recurring deposit account? Recurring deposit account is a time deposit scheme in banks to boost the saving among the people of small and middle income groups. Under this scheme, an investor deposits a fixed amount every month for a specified number of months, and on the expiry of this period, he gets the amount deposited by him together with the interest due to him. The amount received by the investor on the expiry of the specified period is called maturity value. The rate of interest is revised from time to time. We will discuss in detail about the RD accounts in the corresponding video.